Hello guys, I'll be giving you a guide on how to set up your near net node on Akash Network. This is the website akash.network. This Akash.network is a decentralized marketplace for cloud compute. This is a place that you will do peer-to-peer transaction for getting your VPS, like Hexenia and other hosting platform are centralized, but this Akash network is decentralized. That is peer-to-peer marketplace. So once you set an order, once you set an order, you will get providers that will offer you the VPS while you pay. So is what is pay as you use, like you are using the VPS per day or per hour, something like that. But it's based on blocks, the block time for Akash network, because Akash network is a blockchain. So first thing you have to do once you're on the website, you have to click on deploy. It will take you to the guide, to the document for the guide on how to deploy. And this is where you will get the app, the desktop app. Desktop app is what you need for you to start deploying your node on any server that you want. And this is where you will get the VPS that you want for CacheNet. So you have to install the app, the desktop app. So this is the desktop app. The desktop app has many. You can, if you're using Windows, you can install with by clicking this, or Mac or Linux, anyone. I'm using Windows, so I'll click here, but I will not click here but because I have already downloaded and installed the app, and I've already created an account. So this is the account. This is how the dashboard looks like. Something like this. This is how the dashboard looks like. So this dashboard, once you create an account, you get wallets. I think certificates, you see something about certificates. You have to activate it or something like that. The certificate is it was issued, so it expires. I think, yeah, it usually expires, so you have to set yours. So once you get wallet, you can get once you get your wallet, next thing is how to fund this wallet. How to fund this wallet, because you need this wallet for you to keep paying for the server that you got. Like here, I have a near net backup node too. That's my second backup node. This is my second backup node. I've already spent this amount of AKT. It was, yeah, around today. So this the server properties. It's vCPU, 16 gig RAM, and 200 gig space. That's SSD. So the price is 72 USD per month. Yet that I'm paying 72 USD per month. So, but I will not pay this 72 USD at once, just like Zenia and the other hosting service. You have to pay at once. But this one is, as long as I'm using it, they will be collecting the AKT from my balance. I can even add more because I have 8 points. So I have 26. I can even add more by adding funds. So Next thing is how to fund this wallet now that you have now. First of all, you need to get Kepler wallet. They they offer you a guide. Yeah, you can click here on how to get a Kepler wallet. So once you get a Kepler wallet, you can see the Kepler wallet has a lot of chains. This is the Kepler wallet. So this is the Kepler wallet. This is my AKT balance there. As you can see, this AKT you cannot get it from any. I'm not sure you can get it from any centralized exchange. Or maybe if there is any, you can just keep this Kepler wallet part and deposit straight to this address. Just copy address. But if you not see any central any if there is no AKT in any centralized exchange, then you have to use decentralized exchange, which I normally use Swap. But first thing you have to do, you have to get in centralized exchange, you have to go to something like Binance or FTX, KuCoin, and get Atom. You click here. If you click here, you get your Atom wallet address. So use that wallet address to withdraw Atom from KuCoin or any centralized exchange or Binance or even Secret Network. So once your Atom is now in your Cosmos Hub wallet, what you now have to do is you will go to GenoSwap. GenoSwap.com. So once you have your Atom in your wallet, you have to click on deposit so that your Atom will be you'll be able to swap your Atom here. You have to click on deposit and deposit any amount of Atom that you want to deposit. See this load my available balance. So I will be able to swap, I will be able to deposit this balance. If I click on maximum, I'll be able to transfer it to this so that I will be able to use it as swap to AKT. Same thing goes with Secret Network. But because I have USDC, so I will be using USDC. So I have to click on swap. This AKT, this USDC. So I will swap 5 USDC to AKT, should give me 15 AKT. Click on swap. Once you click on swap, you approve. Okay, it is done. The balance is 15 AKT and that AKT is here. It is not in your wallet. If you check, you can see my wallet address is still this. So we have to withdraw to that wallet. Once you're here, you click on withdrawal. Available to withdraw is more 15. Click on maximum. This is the AK Cash wallet address. It will automatically load it, so no need to input wallet address. Click on transfer. Approve. is done. Successfully initiated. So now you can now check your wallet address on Kepler, your wallet balance on Kepler. You see that 15 AKT is already deposited there. You can see 15 AKT. So it's now very easy for us. All you have to do is copy this address, go to your Kepler, send, and the recipient is their address, add AKT, 15 AKT, no memo, then send, proof. So it's done. Now check our balance by refreshing. Balance is now 41 AKT. Okay. So the next thing now is we have to get a VPS. As you can see, I already have one. So I will show you guys steps on how to order for a VPS. What you have to click on, you click on deploy. You click, just use this empty. I have the configuration for you. So the configuration is on my GitHub link. So this is the configuration. Deploy.yml. Click it. You copy the content. I'll show you the content so that you will know what to do. So this is the content where you want to get an Ubuntu image. Latest. This is our root password. You need to input your root password. I'll show you how to input it. And this is the command to update the server. This is the port 2288080. Then here CPU properties. This is the CPU unit. We want CPU. We need the cores. That's the cores. We need 8 cores. That's 8 CPU units. The memory size is 16 gig, and the storage size is 200. You can even increase anyone that you want. So just leave this like this. Then you click here, copy raw content. Copied. Then you paste it here. Okay, here is it. So now you input your root password. Let me use, it can be numbers, it can be any letter. Let me use 1 2 3 4 5 9 8 7 6. Okay, click on deploy. Approve. We're now waiting for bids from providers. So these are the bids. You can choose anyone that you want, but usually I use this provider. This provider has been good. This provider has $72 per month. I don't know how this provider works, but maybe they are sometimes they are offline, but this provider is not offline. So once you click here, you accept the bid. Approve. We are waiting. So our container is now running. You can check the logs. It's updating, getting updates. You can use the shell. Do fish. Okay, the shell is working. I can use this shell, but I don't like using this shell. I use mobile extend. I use this shell, mobile extend. I use mobile extend. I will send link on how to download this app. So we have to log in into this with using this app. We need to get the details, the host name and the port. This is the host name. First of all, you have to copy this host name. Ctrl C. Now go to your mobile extend section. Click on SSH. Paste the host here. Specify username. Root. Username is root. So the port is not 22. You check the assigned port. The assigned port is, for me, for my own server is 31210. So I will have to copy 31210 instead of 22. 31210. Login. Okay, you have to input my password. 123459876. Hit enter. We now have access. This is it. We're now ready to proceed. As you can see, I have two servers. If you check on my dashboard, I have two servers. One without a name, the other one is a backup name. So our server is ready. We now have to install near sharpnet node here. I have the guide on my GitHub. You click. If you check on my GitHub, it's one of my repositories. Near how to set up your sharpnet node for near stake walls. Near stake walls. So the server is already updated, but we have to make sure. So let's check the server is updated. Oh, it's already updated. No updates. So let's check if the server has the right CPU feature that we need, because we need AVX We need the CPU to have AVX and to have SSE 4.2 and CX16 and POP CNT. So if you copy this command, it will return supported if the CPU have all these four features. If it does not have, it will return not supported. So when we paste, as you can see, it is supported. So we can now proceed. We install Node.js and npm. Paste. Done. Let's install build essential Node.js. Paste. Y. Reset paths. Path equals to path. Now we use the npm to install near. Just copy the command, hit enter. It's done. Once you see added 321 packages or audited 322 in 7 seconds, then that means near is already installed. It's now installed. So we set the environment to shardnet. If you are using mainnet, use the guide for mainnet, and also your export near environment will be mainnet or guidenet or testnet. It depends. So I'm using shardnet. I want to set it on shardnet, make it permanent. So what's the next thing? We install developer tools. Everything is already installed except Python 3. So install Python. Okay. We set the configuration. Now we install building environments. It's already installed up to date. I have to install Cargo and Rust. Paste the code. You press 1, then hit enter for it to install. Proceed with installation. Okay. So you can either Rust is now installed. You can either close this current shell or use this to update the shell. I already have the command. It's here. So I don't want to close the shell, so I want to use this. It's done. What's the next thing? We now have to download and build the binary. So copy the file, all the codes. The commit is up to date, so that's what you have to check. My commit is up to date for this shardnet. It's up to date. So you have to clone it and build. Okay. When I'm building it, this will take not less than, let's say, 10 minutes or more than that. It might take 10 minutes. So just grab your popcorn and wait for it. This will be fast. The installation and building is done, is complete. So we have to proceed. You can check the version if you want. Okay. So the next one, we have to initialize the working directory and delete old files. Download new configuration. This will download the genesis and the configuration config file, yeah. But later we'll remove it. So but we first have to run it. Genesis file from this. Save the genesis file to this. Okay, it's done. Generated from Charlotte node key in root.near. So we remove config.genc and genesis.gens. Copy this file. Is now removed. We download new one with this link. This is for config. This is for Genesis. Sorry, Genesis. Okay, this is done. So now we have to run the node. Just this command. We have to run the node. Once you copy and paste, so here is it. The node is up. I'm waiting for it to download headers. Downloading headers is a kind of downloading snapshot or synchronizing with the blockchain. So you have to synchronize. You can see I have 7 pairs already. I'm downloading block headers at 0.1%. That's the amount that I have already downloaded. So 0.24% now. But this will take hours. This will take like 3 hours or 4 hours. So and I do not want this video to be that long. So that's why I have my backup node without my node key. So I will be using my backup node. I'm using my backup node to show you how to set up a validator. So this is my backup node. My backup node for my main account is already synchronized. Once it is synchronized, you will see this. This is what you will see. But mind you, this one is at 0%, is downloading. Okay, that's once it reaches 99.99, then 100, then the next it will be showing this kind of log, this type of logs. So for now, this is the log is showing. So for this now, I will have to delete. I already have wallet here. I already have wallet. So because you will need your wallet, you go to, this is it, the node is running. You go to Shardnet, create wallet. Once you create wallet, get token inside it. Get some amount of near token inside your wallet. Then for you to now log this wallet, inside your node. You use near login, which is what you will use. So once you click here, because I've already logged in with that wallet, so I will think I will delete this because this is the, or let me use this. If you use Ctrl C, it will stop the node. Or if your PC go off, it will stop the node. So what you will do is, for now, the node is now shut down. The node is shut down, but I want to log in my wallet, so I will use near login. You copy this link. Once you copy this link, go to the wallet that have your paste the link here. So once you paste the link here, this is my wallet. I don't know why it's not showing my balance. It's because of this RPC issue. They have issue. So, but I can still be able to log in with that wallet. So once you log in to that browser that have your wallet address, click here, you copy the wallet, then click on next, grant it permission, connect, paste the account ID, that's your wallet address, click confirm. Once you confirm, you get this reply. You redirected to here. It's fine. This is fine. So go to paste the account ID here. Hit enter. It's now successfully logged in. Successfully logged in. So our wallet is now here. We can do anything we want to do, but mind you, our node, as you can see, our node is not running because we used Ctrl C to terminate the node. So it will start from where it stopped. I think it stopped at 1.72. It will search for PS. Okay, downloading of blocks 1.8. So I will need to I will need the node to keep on running. I will need the node to keep on running. I can set it as a service or use to set or screen so that the node will be online. Even if I close mobile S10, the node will not close. Or if my PC go off, the node will not close. So I have to close it again to shut it down. I now have to install I have to install Tools. Once you install Tools, we set up a Tools section. Tools attach. Sorry, it's a new section. Tools new targets. Name it near node 2 or any name that you want to know. You hit enter. Then you paste this here. Then hit enter. It will continue running even if you shut down your PC, unless your server has an issue that the PC was restarted, then that Tools section will now end. Then you have to restart that Tools section. So for now, for creating validator, you have to make sure that your node is synchronized at 100%. It's at 2.15% now. You have to make sure that it is at 100% for you to create a validator. So I'll be using my node that is already synchronized now. I'll be using this validator, this node. Let me open a new section. This is the node. Now for me to see if that node is still running, tools list section, you can see near node 0. So tools attach section T near node 0. As you can see, it's wrong. Okay, so now I have to use Ctrl BD to return back to here. So I will now proceed with this. My wallet is already logged in. As you can see, near credentials, shardnet, chumponmoves.shardnet.near. This is my wallet. So okay. Now we copy the wallet file and make some changes. Use this, but make sure I will replace with my own wallet change or with your own. Just watch me. I'll use Notepad. So I'll paste this here. wallet Jensen. I'll copy the wallet. Yes, this is the wallet Jensen. Do Control C. I have to put a notepad and replace it with this. This is it. Copy the whole content. Paste it here. Okay. What's the next thing? I will edit the nano. Okay. Is your wallet name fine? Japanese nano validator key. I'll use nano. I'll use it to edit. I want to edit the validator file. Validator key file. Okay, it did not copy. So what I will have to do is I will open this wallet. I will open this. This is it. So I'll copy this and paste the validator file. This is the validator file. User key. I need to change this private key to secret key according to my guide. Secret key. Change the account ID to jumponodes.53.shardnet. So I will change my, this is jumpo jp nodes. I'll put, make sure, let me change secret key. Okay. Sorry. Dot shardnet.com. I will now use Control hit enter, then Control X. Sorry. Control X. Let me check whether it's still saved. Okay, secret key is already saved. Already saved. So what's the next thing? As you can see, it should be in this form. Secret key factory. I expose my secret key, although his testnet. So This is we are using two moves, so we can skip this since we are using two moves section. This for rounding the opponent. Then mounting is taking pool. You have to copy this command, go to your notepad. So near factory shardnet staking pool. The staking pool should be the same with this jump on news.factory shardnet, like this guide. Not factory, just jump on nodes. Owner ID is the wallet, staking public key. You put the public key, then reward free fraction. Put any amount that you want. This code hash should be there. Then account ID jump on nodes or shardnet. So let's edit mine now. So notepad, staking pool ID. I'll use JP nodes. Account ID. Copy this. Without dot Jensen, just read this. Replace it with this. Stake public key. Public key is the public key of that my address. I can get it here. Public key. Paste the public key here. Sorry. You can leave this here. Leave this like this. Replace account ID. Account ID jump on near. Okay. Amount 30. Gas. So we're now ready to go. You copy this stuff. You see. Go back to your node. Then paste. We're attaching with 13 here. Okay, the staking pool ID already exists. I'll have to edit. have to edit. Let's put jump almost to be able to run it. Oh, okay. It was now successful. So the explorer is not working, so we are now gonna check the explorer. We move to the we use this to check if the node is running, if the poll is accepted. Something like, let's paste this near proposals. Okay, I think it's because of this, the seed price, the price. Maybe it's because of the stake. Let's increase stake. I think I have up to 400 then. Up to 400. Let's use jump straight so that we'll be able to show up in proposal. We're now attaching 400 near. It's taking much longer. It was not successfully created. Jump on nodes 3.factory.sharpnet successfully created. So let's check near proposal. Is here. Jump on nodes 3. So once we have because the seed price is more than that, we will not be able to enter the validating set. Seed price is around 2,600, so we will not be able to enter with this 400 that we have. So if Seed price was around 300. We'll be able to enter validating sets in three approaches. Yeah, I think three approaches. So our proposal is now accepted. Now accepted. So, but because our node is JP nodes 3, we have to go back and edit this. We wrote something here on validator key Jensen. Paste it here. Just nodes dot factory. This is another node. So we have to make sure we have to input our own, because if you do not specify the pool that you are validating for, you'll be missing blocks and chunks. So that means we'll now set up nodes 3 and save it. Control O, hit enter, Control S. Yeah, we are now good to go. One last thing to check. Okay, if you want to deposit more, you can use this code to deposit more. Just near call the pool name jump on nodes 3 dot factory dot deposit and stake 1200 with this account ID gas 3000 3 million. I think gas is around 3 million. So one more thing. Let me close this. I have to close this. Oh no, this at 11. This is the first node, the backup node. So as you can see, under near credentials, you see we have shardnet. Inside our shardnet, we have validator key Jensen and your wallet. You cannot edit this one. So we now have to go to the main.near and check if this validator Jensen is the same thing that we are running. This particular one. Open with default text editor. Let's open. As you can see, the validator key Jensen is running with jump on rules. This will also make us to be missing chunks. Get? So we have to put jump on rules 3 dot factory dot shardnet. Then this private key, sorry, change to secret key. Same thing with the other one. Secret key. You click save. Once you are done with this, you restart the node. This is how you restart the node. Use Ctrl C to stop the node. The node will shut down. It's already shut down. You use that same command that we used to run it to run the node again. Any change that you applied, you have to restart the node. Any change. Okay. Waiting for peers. Okay. As you can see, the node is now running. So that is it. So this is our two deployments. For running this node for just, I think, up to 2 hours or less than that, we have already spent 0.2. This is not even up to $1. It's not even up to $1. So we can, from here we can add funds. You can specify amount if you want, maybe 10. Deposit. $14. Now you can check the other one and also add funds for the other one, or buy more AK cash and deposit here. So that is it. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much.